In this video, we are going to create an n8n workflow that completely automates appointment booking, management, and recovery. This is about building a powerful WhatsApp AI bot that handles everything for you. If you want to automate scheduling on cal.com using nothing but a simple text message, stay right here. I'll show you the exact steps to build this workflow from scratch. Alright, so let's get started. So the first node, it's going to be the system where we want our customers to interact with that AI bot. So you can choose WhatsApp, you have Telegram, you have Discord, you have plenty of options. But I'm gonna choose WhatsApp because uh, it's the most popular like messaging app in my country. So you should choose WhatsApp on messages. So the workflow will trigger once the bot receives a message. And choose your credentials. If you don't have a credential, you need to create a new credential and just follow the steps. My second video on this channel um, covers how to create the credentials. So I'm just gonna go back to the canvas and I'm just gonna make sure that it's working. So I'm just gonna execute the workflow, go to my WhatsApp and just send a message. It should trigger. Okay, so workflow executed successfully. That means that it received the message. So the next step is going to be the AI agent, because in here we want to communicate with a large language model with an LLM. So so it we can tell it what we like. The user will tell the AI what it wants. What it wants to create a new appointment. It wants to delete an appointment, stuff like that. Uh, so uh, let's choose define below, and we will put the message body in here. So the hi message, it should be in here. And for the prompt, we need a system message. In here, we will explain everything what this AI agent is supposed to do. So I have already a prompt made out. You guys can copy it. I will add it into the comment section down below. So in here, just paste it, and then I'm gonna go through with it. I'm gonna go through the prompt just show you. So you will be given a time and may be asked to check availability, create booking, retrieve upcoming booking information, cancel an existing booking, and reschedule an existing booking. So it says follow these instructions exactly. So check availability. Use the check availability tool, which we haven't created yet, to verify the requested time slot. This is the current date in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. You should put, you guys should put the where where the users will use that where the users will use that service. So if someone's in Australia, if you guys are in Australia, the business in Australia, you should put Australia and put the city as well. So I put the daytime now, set zone, age area to ISO. So for your in each of your cases, you need to replace age area with your city and country. So you must resolve any relative date expressions like tomorrow, next Friday, or this weekend by referencing the current date above. Convert all interpreted dates into strict ISO 080 on format. This is this is very important because we're going to pass the value of the date into the tools, and it will use this date format. Once tool output is returned, if the requested time is available, confirm that it is available and ask if you can proceed with the booking for the specific time. So the user will choose a specific time, and then it will check if that time is available or if it's busy. If it's available, it will confirm with the user and go ahead with the booking. If it's not, it will give a suggested. If not, immediately inform the user that the requested time is unavailable and suggest nearby alternative, which is less than three days. Yeah, make sure they are near less than 3 hours or days or whatever. And return all variables. Never return blank output. If the entire day is unavailable, check the same time on the next day and return those options. Once user confirm an acceptable time, proceed to booking in the next step. So here create the booking. Only proceed with creating a booking if the requested time has been confirmed available. Then it will use the create booking tool, which you will create, to schedule the appointment at that time. Confirm the successful creation of the booking to the user. Never create a booking for a time that was not explicitly confirmed as available. And then the next, retrieve existing booking information. Use a get booking information tool when the user asks about existing or upcoming appointments. So if the user already has an appointment, sometimes the user will ask to delete that appointment. So it needs to get that booking information. If there are no upcoming booking, clearly inform the user. If there is one upcoming booking, store the UID for using cancellation or scheduling if needed. If there are multiple bookings, list them all. Okay, canceling a booking. So it's the same stuff. You guys can pause if you want and read them, but I think like I want just to show you guys what the bot should be doing, what the AI agent should be doing. And I will also put this prompt in the comment section. Okay, so now we don't need anything more over here. We just need a chat model. I'm going to use OpenAI ChatGPT 4 mini. That's it. Memory, simple memory, and in here, hold on. Let me leave it at that for now. And let me execute this workflow to see if it's working. Let me just define below and put our number. Execute workflow. Okay. So now let's start creating the tool. For the first tool, I'm going to create the check availability tool. So you need to get the exact name. Here, go back. So it's an HTTP request. Put the name here, and that's it. Okay. So now we're going to use cal API, we're going to use uh, this. Okay, so go to cal.com and create an account. And once you create an account, you will get these event types over here. So these are very important. So if you want to create a new event, for example, you don't want a 30-minute meeting, you want 1 hour. So you can create a new one over here and just put the duration of what you wanted. And that's it. Um, I'm going to use 30-minute meeting for our example. But what we need to do is for the check availability tool, we need to go to cal.com and go to docs, so you can get it. Just go to cal.com/docs, and that's it. So now we need to find the check availability API. So it should be over here, API v1 reference, and just scroll. See this? Is it this one? No, it's not. We need to find the slots. This one, get all booking slots between the date time range, because the customer will give the date and the time of the appointment when he wants it. So it's this one. So what you need to do, go to try it. If you see here, you have a few fields that are required. So first field is the API key. You get this API key from over here. You go to settings and you go to API keys, and you need to create a new one. Just select n8n2, n8, name this key whatever you want, and I'm just gonna put 7 days, but you can say never expires if you click on this. I'm just gonna put 7 days because I don't want this API to go on forever. I don't need it. It's just for this tutorial. So save it, and you need to copy and save this API key somewhere safe, because once you click done, you will not be able to see it again. So copy it, and I'm going to put it. We need to put it over here. We need to put it over here. The start time. Okay, so the start time here where it gets tricky, because the start time and the end time, you need to get it from the user. So it's in the AI. The AI can save it using the simple memory that it has. So for the start time, we're going to get this. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it, but I'm going to go through it. So you're going to open curly brackets to put from AI, $sign from AI, call this, call it whatever you want, but I'm gonna say date. I'm gonna say this is the date the user wants to search for, because we need the day. We don't need the exact time. We want to get all available slots in that day that the user requests, not just that specific time. So, and the end time, we're going to say one date after that date. Date after, this is one day after the date the user wants to search for. time zone, put Asia, Riyadh, or whatever time zone that you want. And we need the event type ID. It's going to be specific to that event type that we created or that you already have. So if you click on this 30-minute meeting, it's the event type ID, it's this one. So just copy, paste it over here. And this should be done. Now, once we created everything here, you're going to copy the girl and go back here, import it over here, paste it. So you see, it just filled everything out. Exactly what we wanted. But in here, we're going to tell it in the description, retrieve appointment availability for a full workday window on the calendar. Availability will be returned as free or busy. And we need to optimize response because we want it as JSON. And okay, so now execute this workflow and just tell it I want to create an appointment for tomorrow at 11 a.m. It will not give us a message back because we didn't send anything. We didn't. Okay, so there's an error here. Let's see what the error is. Please check your parameters. Okay, so sometimes this can happen. Okay, should be an expression. When you put in a code, it should be an expression, not a fixed field. Everything else should be good to go. Let's execute this step again. I need to execute it again over here. Just copy and paste what we put. Let's see. Okay, great. Let's see what it gave us. So it gave us all the available time slots. So 11 a.m. is free. We'll see the agent's response. The requested time at tomorrow is available for booking. Would you like me to proceed and create the appointment? So this message, it should be sent back to the WhatsApp. So we're going to put it right now, even though we're not finished. So just send a message. It should be WhatsApp account 1. All right. So I have a problem probably with my credentials. So I'm going to check this error and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just fixed the issue. I just paused the recording and just fixed my issue. So my issue was that the credential that I was using, the access token expired. So I needed to generate a new one. So if you just created this credential, you shouldn't face this problem. So the sender, it's the test number that we have. The recipient phone number, we're going to get it from where we added where from the first WhatsApp trigger. This is it, and the text body is this one. That's it. Let's execute the step. We should receive a message. Yep, the requested time tomorrow at 11 a.m. is available for booking. Would you like me to proceed and create the appointment? So it's responded to this message. But now we only have the check availability tool. We don't have the create the booking tool yet. And we're going to create it right now. So okay, so to get the HTTP request as well, create booking tool. So just put the name of the tool and go back to this tab. I'm just gonna copy the API key because we're going to need it again. So now we want to create the booking, and it's probably in the API v2 reference, but we can search here, create booking. Let's check. Yep, it's this one. So let's create a booking. So let's try it out, and we're going to give it the authorization. But we need first we're gonna put bearer. It's different than that other one. The other one we didn't need to put bearer. But in here we need to put bearer, then put your API key. The start time of the booking. Okay, so in here we also get it from the AI. So let me just copy and paste it. So just copy and paste it the from where we got the other one from the check availability tool. You can just copy this one and just put it over here, but just change it to start time, and it says that this is the start time of the appointment the user wants to make. Here is the attendee. Also, this is the attendee the attendee name. So here we say this is the name of the appointment attendee, and time zone it's Asia, Riyadh, and here it's the email, the attendee email we need it, so we can get that booking later if we want. This is the user's email. That's it. Phone number. We don't need a phone number for now. The event type, it's the same as I showed you before. It's this one. Just put it over here. That should do it. Just copy the curl and import it over here. So we're going to need to make a few changes. Okay, no, we don't have to because I got this code. But if you see here, the from AI quote, I didn't put double quotations. I just put single, because when you put a quotation inside the double quotation inside the double quotation, it will not work because it assumes that you want to close it. So if it's inside the double quotation, you need to put a single. Then put a single here to close it, then put here single. See? It's like that. But here we need to delete a few things. We don't need everything. So we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need the user team John Doe. We don't need tests. We don't need the URL. We don't need the metadata. We don't need this routing. We don't need an email verification code. And for the last one, we need to delete the comma. So let's see if it works right now. Oh, before we do, let's change the description and just put this. This model is used for booking appointment after the user has agreed to a specific time. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Let's create and let's give it this. Please, to proceed with creating the appointment, please provide me with your name and email address. Okay, so we need to execute the workflow, but you can make it active. Got it. That's it. Let's see if just my name is Sean and my email is sean@gmail.com. I found the available slots is indeed available. The parameters might have an issue. Please confirm. Yes, confirm. It seems there was a problem with create the booking. Okay, there's a problem with this tool. Let's see. So this one's correct. This one correct. Start time. Username, user email. So I think we're missing one thing, one parameter here. But let's see, it's header parameters, yes. So the last one is content type, and it should be application/JSON. Let's save. I'm gonna tell it try now. It appears there's an issue with the email format that is causing the broken request to fail. Okay, so I figured out what the issue was. So all this time that I just spent, like more than 30 minutes, is because in here this JSON was fixed and not an expression. Okay, why did everything just got removed? Because I changed it. Oh my god. Okay, so let me just go back to the execution. This one. Just I'll just copy this. Make sure it's expression, paste it, and save. This is active, so let's just check if it will run. I want to create an appointment. I already created the one for tomorrow. I'm going to create another one, let's say in December 18. For December 18th at 11 a.m. Is available. Now I proceed. You need the name and the email. Let's say John2 at gmail.com. It's been successfully created. And if we go here, you can see the bookings. I did on December 18th. Okay, so it's here and it says between Lester Killer. Lester Killer is this account's name, and John2. Perfect. So now we want to add the capability to delete the booking. But first we need to get the booking information. And to do that, let's see here. First of all, let me just copy my API key. So let's get the booking information. So it's in V2. Let's search get booking. Okay, so we need the booking ID. With this we need to give it the booking ID, but we need to get the booking ID. So let me see. For this one, you just yes, get all bookings. Let's try this one. Authorization, you need to put bearer, put your name, and we need to get it using the attendee email. So you just copy and paste the one that we put before, and we need the event type ID. It's the one that we got before. You can get it over here. It's this one. Up here. Here. Let's try this. Copy the curl and create a new tool called the HTTP request. get booking info and import the girl, paste, change this to expression. Always make sure if it's code you change it to expression. Let's see. Let's save. And say go to WhatsApp and just say I want to cancel my appointment. I can help with that. Could you please provide the email? I'm gonna copy this one. The one. Okay, so it was able to get that info from that email. Obviously, we can't confirm to cancel because we didn't create the tool to cancel the appointment. But why did this one get executed? Let's see. So it's get booking information, not get booking info. But I don't think that would make any difference. Let's save. Say hi. I want to start from the beginning. So just gonna say can't cancel my appointment. Agent stop due to max iterations. So let's get the workflow. paste. Let's see. Okay, great. So you have one upcoming appointment. I can proceed with cancellation. Can you please confirm? It will not obviously cancel because I don't have the cancel tool over here. So you just get it from here. I'm just getting the name just to make sure. Cancel booking. It's this one. Tool. Go back. Create the tool. Hopefully we won't run into more issues. Cancel booking. Okay. So here we just get this. Make sure you get it and cancel. Booking. Yes. Try it. So authorization is bearer. Paste. Booking ID. It's okay. We need to get it from the from it will be the booking ID that you get from this tool. If you see here, the ID it's this one. And we need to pass it. So we just go here, not here, in here. You can just get it from the AI, and you just pay. I'm gonna paste this. It's the same from AI UID. This is the booking UID. Cancellation reason user requests. That's it. You don't need to put anything. That should do it. Copy the curl. Go here, import, paste. Okay, so you don't need all this. Okay, what is this? Yeah, just you don't need in here. Don't put this code. Don't put this code right away. Just put something like your ID and copy. So and in here instead of the UID, put the code that you created from from AI, because we don't need all that gibberish that was inside. See this? The description, just put something like this tool is used to cancel a meeting. It's called after getting the OID value from the get booking information tool, because without the ID value you cannot cancel the booking. Fill the reason and user requested cancellation. It's fine. So save. Let's see here. Yes. Yeah. It seems there's an issue with the system authorization for canceling the appointment. Please check that your credentials are correct. Let's check the executions. Let's execute from the beginning. Let's say try again. Wait. No. There's an issue with the authorization. Oh, again. See, it's not fixed. It should be expression. So it always happens. I forget that. Make sure when you put that when you put a code, just make sure it's an expression. Execute. Let's try again. But still encountered an error. Okay, it's a different error. Authorization failed. Oh, there's two barriers here. Execute workflow. Try again. Still an error. I tried once more, but it seems the system cannot find the resource you are requesting could not be found. Did it already cancel it? Let's see. No, it's still there. Let's start from the beginning. Get the email. Yes. Cancel. Wait. Oh, okay. It already cancelled. Has been successfully cancelled. Okay. Okay. Let's check over here. Refresh. Okay. Good. Let's just check something over here. If only one booking, use the cancel immediately. No need to ask the user. Yeah, makes sense. If there's only one booking, then it doesn't need to ask, because when I was confused on, like, it didn't ask me to, if you want to confirm that you want to cancel it, or it just canceled it after I gave it the email. But yeah, it makes sense that if there's only one booking, that it will cancel it. Okay, yeah, okay, great. So now we have the cancellation, to create the booking, checking availability, and to get the booking information all working. Yeah, and if you want to make this workflow active all the time, so you don't need to execute the workflow, just make sure you activate it anyway. So yeah, that was it. It was a pretty long video. I encountered a few errors, but that happens. So yeah, but we got it working at least. And yeah, I hope you guys followed along with this video. And if you didn't, that's fine. You can always come back and like create it with me. Create it with me over here. And yeah, just make sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So bye bye. See you.